From its humble beginnings in the 1980s, computer-generated imagery, CGI, has improved dramatically. These days, CG artists are truly limited only by their imaginations. And while these creations are incredibly detailed, they are still ultimately confined within the two-dimensional displays of televisions and computer screens. However, using 3D printing technology, the virtual world can now exist as tactual in the real world. And at Offload Studios, our expertise and craftsmanship in the creation of these tactuals is second to none. But first, to understand how 3D printing works, and how Offload Studios has raised the bar in the industry, let's take a brief look at the process. It all starts with a 3D model, created from any one of a wide variety of software programs. These models are typically fully textured and colored. To ensure the highest quality result in the creation of the tactual, this 3D model is then inspected by our staff at Offload Studios. We verify that every facet is properly engineered for the real world, as sometimes alterations are necessary. Our experience and expertise ensures the end result is the highest quality possible. Tactual creation is a unique blend of both art and real-world science. Once we are confident that the 3D model is ready, the next step is the actual printing process. A tactual is created by applying very thin layers of a bonding agent and color onto a powdered surface, over and over again, hundreds of times. These thin layers fuse together to create the complete 3D shape. When finished, the excess powder is brushed away and the final tactual is excavated. Under the careful eye of our staff, the final stage of production is undertaken, which includes careful and detailed cleaning as well as hardening and UV protection. The end result? The virtual model has now moved from the 2D world to something you can hold in your hand. One aspect that sets Offload Studios apart is our relationship with the 3D modeling, animation, and gaming community. Bill Henderson, Offload Studios founder, has been training computer graphic artists for over 2 decades and has close ties to entertainment software studios worldwide. Our experience in 3D modeling, combined with our experience working with members of the game industry, means no other company can match Offload Studios for the realization of virtual assets. Offload Studios' high-end fine art tactuals are another area where we excel. Teaming up with amazingly talented artists and utilizing our own ingenuity and craftsmanship, we produce 3D modeled sculpts that you won't find anywhere else. For this Iron Man tactual, Offload Studios designed and constructed an internal LED lighting system. From game asset realization to fine art sculpts to practically anything imaginable, our experience and expertise in 3D modeling and our relationships with industry professionals allows Offload Studios to realize the virtual like no one else.